Hey y'all, and welcome to the vlog. It's Saturday. Y'all know how Saturdays go. I just dropped the kids off to my mom. I have some places I want to run because I want to start my Christmas shopping. Y'all know how that goes, especially now because truth be told, a lot of production has slowed down or just is not going on because of the pandemic. I know some people may try to frown upon those of us who are shopping. I'm not shopping crazy, and this is why I'm shopping deals. I'm going to get 10 off 50 or 25 off $100 toy purchase for Christmas for my daughter. My son, the only reason that I'm not really picking up something for him from in stores because all the stuff that he likes is like video games and Travis Scott stuff, which you have to get off the Travis Scott website. Anyway, I need to go to Target. I need to go to I need coffee. So I gotta go to Bloomingdales because that's the nearest Nespresso store. And I need to go to Sephora. I have to go to Sephora because they have the friends and family sale. Hopefully I can make it there in time. So, let's go. These are the pants that I actually purchased during the weekend of Columbus Day weekend when they were 20% off. These, but I love these. Maybe I'll try these on for you guys when I get home. They also come in burgundy, but they don't have the burgundy ones. And they're a new day. They also come in these cute other prints. These dresses with the puffy sleeves, of course, because everything has puffy sleeves now. I think I'm leaning more towards the cream color because it's not just a flat cream. It's almost like marbled with like a white and a gray, which makes it really pretty. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but these are really cute. And I want to say that they are probably about knee length. They're not mini for sure. I'm 5'4", and it's coming to about my knee. Pretty cute. Pretty cute. Definitely something you could wear during the holidays. Amber color, everything is in season. I like the jade color of these, but I also like them in the amber color as well. These are nice. Yeah, that's really cool. That's $89.99. So with something like that, you would need to get like the little, either the Remix hair flip is new, as well as the Remix pets. And 2 of the hair flips and 1 of the pets make a radio. If I can find the image of what it looks like, I will pop that in here. This is one of the things that I wanted to pick up for her. It's like a travel case. It won't come up, but it is a travel case for her dolls. When the kids go to my mom's house, she puts them in like a book bag, and it'll be much easier and just cuter if she got a travel case. So Santa or mommy and daddy, depending on where we are by the time Christmas comes, is gonna bring it for her. All right. Y'all, so I'm home. I have a mini haul for y'all. I'm gonna start with Target because that's where I started today. I got the first things that y'all saw earlier in the vlog. We're here. If you're a parent, you know why I'm not repeating it. I have since picked up my kids from my mom's house. But the pants that I was talking about are these. I got them in the black color and the cognac color. I am a size 16, sometimes 18, depending on what, just depending. But these fit well. My coochie poochie is masked. It doesn't look crazy. Don't look too foopish. And that's why I like them. I will have a styling video that I hope to put out soon, so definitely make sure that you subscribe so you can see that. I don't always wear Disney and Universal Studios t-shirts. I get dressed sometimes. The pandemic's not making it any better, but I do get dressed sometimes. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. You can see proof that before the pandemic, I had a life. Next, I'm going to go to Sephora because there was a friends and family sale. This is not something that you would have known about if you are not on social media. Also, if you do not know someone who works at Sephora, you would not have had the barcode. In my opinion, it really depended on who your cashier was, whether or not they would give it to you, because the first thing that I picked up was this. This is a Sephora Favorites perfume sampler. If you've been watching me for a while, I suggest gifts like this for the holidays. I will also be on the Like to Know It app this holiday season, suggesting and also basically giving you pop-ups of sales that will be going on because we all need to save our points. But this was an excellent pickup from that sale. This is already $68. The retail value is $124. And even though these are samples, let me break it down for you. You get a sample of every fragrance on this box. This is not the only group. There are other groups of fragrances. So basically, if you're interested in more than, I would say, 3 or 4 of the fragrances in a particular box, I would purchase that box. But the reason why I like this box is because I want to sample my way. I've already sampled Tom Ford Ombre Leather. I've already sampled Valentino Donna, but I am okay with getting one of these as a 1.4, 1.5, basically a small bottle. A small bottle of either of these fragrances is over $100 or close to it. I got this box with the friends and family sale for $49, something similar to that. And so I'm getting basically 50% off because I got 20% off of this already discounted price. The Sephora holiday sale is coming up, and I may make a video with suggestions for that. But even still, whether you're a Rouge or just a beauty insider at Sephora, any little bit helps, especially with the gift sets. I really like Sephora gift sets. The holiday ones are pretty good, but you have to also know what you're looking for. Next, again, I have been on the hunt for a natural deodorant. This is Briogeo's Be Well Tea Tree and Eucalyptus Clean Deodorant. This has no aluminum, talc, or parabens. And the owner of this company is a young Black woman. And I just kudos to her to being one of the youngest woman-owned brands in Sephora. I didn't know that. I've heard the Glam Twins talk about this brand for hair, but when I saw that the deodorant has tea tree and eucalyptus, I definitely wanted to give this a try, and I will follow up with you all to let you know how it works out for me. The only thing is, it says to apply twice daily, where I found I'm not a big sweat person, but I do perspire, especially when as my daughter says, when my underarms start to get like the Cat in the Hat. So when I shave, and I do shave my underarms because I have not been getting them waxed, I would put tea tree oil to help with like the discoloration or like the darkening of my underarms, and the tea tree oil helps. So to have a deodorant that already has the eucalyptus and the tea tree oil already in it is definitely a plus. So again, I will let you guys know how that works out. And because I didn't really know all the stipulations with the friends and family sale, unfortunately, I forgot to get a body wash that I wanted to try. I think it's Necessaire or Necessary. I think it's whatever. But there is a eucalyptus body wash that I want to try. I know the Glam Twins have tried it. My fragrance friends, my scent sisters, Erica, who is also Winter Michelle's, who you should also follow on Instagram and YouTube. She's more so on Instagram right now, but she is definitely someone that I think if you like my vibe, you would like hers as well. Y'all, I legit forgot that I had went to Nespresso. I only got one sleeve because I honestly have coffee already. I also have some full coffee from Trader Joe's that goes in my Keurig that I just got it because I'm a hype beast when it comes to stuff at Trader Joe's. I barely use my Keurig anymore because I have my Nespresso, but y'all know. Anyway, so this time I picked up caramel cookie. I'm also trying to figure out how to detox because, again, between quarantine and just everything, I just been gaining. So I need to drink tea more days than I drink coffee. So I have, again, the caramel cookie from Nespresso, and they also were giving out free samples of the, what is this called? Ice Leggero, which is pretty cool. And they even told me how to make it. So I'm excited to try this as well. But yeah, but let me stop rambling. I'll see y'all in the next vlog and video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you take care of yourself.